What's up friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change screen mode on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So do swipe up, tap on settings, then click on display. From here scroll down a bit to where you have screen mode. Simple tap on that. And here you have two options guys, you have the vivid and you have the natural. You can also flash between these different pictures here to see what those images look like with the vivid mode. Once you tap on natural, you also can go ahead and do the same as well, right? Now guys, you can also play around with the white balance by toggling from left to right to see what each looks like. And once you find something, whether it's cool or warmer, you can choose between whichever you want. Within the advanced settings, you can play around with the red, green, and blue colors. And once you do, you can always see which one is best for you, right? And you can toggle between all three images to see this as well. Now, once you do that, that's all there is to it, guys. This is how you can easily use screen mode on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone.